I'm Cheryl Brubaker Schaub, and I work for FirstEnergy, and I've been there for 20-some years, and I manage the Consumer Products Group. We have 6 million residential customers in the U.S. in 5 states. We have 10 operating companies. We're in Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, and New Jersey. In 2003, we launched our first repair and protection plans. And for the first 3 years, we managed them on our own as a utility, and we found that we were very quickly capacity constrained. It's a very complicated business, 24/7, 365 claims. And we decided at that point we didn't want to be in the business, we wanted to have a program. So after the first 3 years, in 2006, we partnered with HomeServe. When you hire a vendor or a third-party administrator to do any program for you, whether it's repair plans or whatever, they're really representing your reputation and your brand to your customers. When the customer calls on the phone and they get somebody, they're thinking of their utility, and they trust their utility to send a contractor who's licensed, insured, who's been background checked, who's been drug checked, because you're sending somebody to their home and into their home in a lot of cases if it's an interior repair. So we very carefully scrutinized 3 or 4 vendors, and HomeServe was clearly the partner that we wanted to work with. They have a similar philosophy to ours, putting the customer first and also continuous improvement. As a utility products and services manager, my biggest fear has been with other programs that our senior executives or employees would use those programs and not be satisfied, and they would be on my doorstep, making me feel bad. We have a corporate director and a senior analyst that both signed up for the HomeServe water heater plan. And as luck would have it, both of them needed a repair probably within the first year of being on the plan, and both made it a point to come sit in my office after their repair to say what an outstanding job HomeServe did in handling their repair. HomeServe is just really a leader in this field, and that they deliver world-class performance.